He might have gone to Arusha.
Kenyan members of parliament allied to the government have twice passed resolutions calling the East African nation to withdraw from the embattled Hague-based court. The matter has, however, not received attention at the cabinet level.
In terms of procedure, the ultimate decision as to whether Kenya will pull out or not is subject to cabinet deliberation. To withdraw from a treaty, you need an executive deliberation, and then cabinet directs the cabinet secretary for foreign affairs as well as the attorney general to prepare the appropriate instruments and deposit them with relevant authorities. These processes have not come up yet. So it is accurate to say that a decision of the executive is still pending.
Kenyans are now keenly following the decisions by South Africa and Burundi to issue notices of intent to withdraw. Not lost on them is the 2007 post-election violence and crimes against humanity charges that President Uhuru Kenyatta and his then political rival, now Deputy President William Ruto, faced. The cases have since collapsed.
We don't have enough structures that can handle our own issues. For example, you can't take your president to court. What about if the president runs amok and he does things that other dictators are doing? Where do we head to?
They are targeting the African guys. They want to take us back to the colonial rules.
I believe that ICC is not perfect, and I believe that there could be some loopholes or there could be some things that need to be changed. But I don't think that walking out would help, because ICC has acted as a deterrent court in Africa. Yes.
Do you think it targets African leaders?
I don't think it targets African leaders, because we have giving an example of what has been going on in South Sudan, we have not seen warrants issued by ICC yet. It means that ICC comes in when Africa has failed. So ICC is very relevant.
We should come out from the ICC, like the South Africa.
The issue of ICC withdrawals is likely to come up during the African Union Summit in January next year. Sarah Kimani, SABC News, Kenya.